Tempted by that amazing deal on TikTok Shop, but wondering if it's a scam waiting to happen? Today, we're diving deep into the world of TikTok Shop to uncover whether it's a safe and reliable place to spend your money. First, let's talk user reviews before buying anything. Scroll down to see what others are saying. Look for consistent themes or people raving about the quality, or complaining about shipping issues and inaccurate descriptions. A flood of negative reviews is a major red flag. Next up, product authenticity. Unfortunately, counterfeit goods can sneak onto any platform. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Research the seller and brand, and compare prices with official retailers. Now, let's consider security. TikTok Shop uses standard encryption to protect your payment information, which is a good sign. However, be wary of sharing too much personal information with sellers. Stick to what's necessary for the purchase. Pay attention to the seller's profile. Established sellers with high ratings and lots of sales are generally more trustworthy than brand new accounts with zero feedback. Ultimately, shopping on TikTok Shop requires a healthy dose of skepticism and careful research. By checking reviews, verifying authenticity, and staying mindful of security, you can increase your chances of a safe and satisfying shopping experience.